Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record other income or cash sales on accounting. To add other income or cash sales, you can go through quick links and click on income, or we can go through banking section and there is transactions where we will be able to click on new income button at the top. Okay. Here we need to add details, so select the date when cash sales been made. For example, I will select on Monday. Payment method, I will say cash in my case, but if it's other income, you can select one of available options. Account, I will have cash account, and amount is here. So I will add amount of £100, and description, I will add daily sales. Assign category, I can assign to one of available options. In my case, I will say sales, and I can select a particular customer, but if you have multiple daily sales what you made, and this is just the total across whole day, then I will not allocate to particular customer. Transaction number will be automatically generated by system. You can add a reference and also add an attachment, example if you have breakdown for this particular cash sales. Click save. And this receipt of cash sales has been recorded. So we can edit it, or we can duplicate. We can connect to particular customer if it turns out that this is receipt for a particular customer. We can print, download, share a link, send email, and also we can delete. So this is a way how you can record other income or cash sales on accounting. But if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete accounting tutorial, as well as review of this accounting software.